Imagine a world bursting with color, every corner vibrant, every street a canvas. This isn't a dream, it's real. In certain corners of our planet, life itself is a celebration. These aren't just places with colorful buildings or vibrant landscapes. No, this is different. This is about culture, about people, about the very spirit of a place. These are the colorful countries, where festivals aren't just events. They're woven into the fabric of daily life, where laughter, music, and dance spill onto the streets, painting every moment with joy. Festivals in these lands are more than just holidays. They are living, breathing expressions of identity. They tell stories of ancient traditions, of shared history, of the human spirit's unquenchable thirst for joy. They are a riot of senses. The scent of incense mingling with spices, the rhythmic beat of drums echoing through ancient streets, the dazzling explosion of colors in traditional costumes. These festivals are about connection, connecting with ancestors, with community, with something larger than oneself. They are a reminder of the beauty of human connection, of the power of shared experience. India, a land of vibrant hues and ancient traditions. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the sun-drenched beaches, color explodes in every corner. Holi, the festival of colors, is its most famous spectacle. Imagine, clouds of brightly colored powder fill the air. Laughter and music echo through the streets. Strangers become friends, united in a joyous celebration of spring. But India's vibrancy extends beyond Holi. Diwali, the festival of lights, illuminates homes and hearts with millions of flickering lamps. Dussehra celebrates the victory of good over evil with elaborate processions and dramatic performances. Every day in India feels like a festival. Brazil, where rhythm ignites the soul. Brazil, a land where rhythm pulses through the very veins of its people, where music isn't just heard, it's felt deep within the soul. And nowhere is this more evident than during Carnival. Picture this. Rio de Janeiro explodes in a frenzy of music, dance, and elaborate costumes. Samba rhythms reverberate through the air, intoxicating the senses. It's a celebration of life itself, a wild, uninhibited expression of joy. But Brazil's vibrancy isn't confined to Carnival. From the lively rhythms of Bahia to the passionate tango of Argentina, music and dance infuse everyday life. Here, every day is a celebration of life's vibrant tapestry. Mexico, a land of vibrant traditions and eternal fiesta, a land where ancient traditions meet modern life in an explosion of color and celebration, where the Day of the Dead, far from being morbid, is a vibrant celebration of life and remembrance. Imagine, families gather to honor their ancestors. Altars overflow with offerings of food, flowers, and colorful sugar skulls. Music fills the air, and the streets come alive with processions and vibrant costumes. But Mexico's vibrancy doesn't end there. From the colorful markets overflowing with hand-woven textiles and vibrant pottery to the joyous fiestas that erupt spontaneously in town squares, Mexico is a feast for the senses, a tapestry of joy and celebration. These colorful countries offer a glimpse into a world where life itself is a celebration, where vibrant traditions and joyous festivals paint everyday moments with color and meaning. They remind us of the power of human connection, the beauty of cultural expression, and the importance of finding joy in the everyday. They beckon us to embrace life's vibrant tapestry, to dance to the rhythm of our own cultures, and to find joy in the shared human experience. So step into this world of color, where every day is a festival. Let the music move you, let the colors inspire you, and let the spirit of celebration fill your soul. Because in these vibrant corners of our planet, life is meant to be lived to the fullest, in all its colorful glory.